Yo, what's up? This is Chase023 bringing you a new unboxing video of the ErgoTron HX wall mount. Now I have this version for the desk and I love it, so I decided to get another one for the wall because my second monitor needs to be, mounted, and it looks better both of them mounted than having just one mounted, one not. So I bought this to match the other monitor. Anyways, this is a heavy duty monitor mount. And I really like it. I decided to get this one as well, all in white. Makes it look cleaner in my opinion. But anyways, also as you can see that it's been cut open. I mean, I cut it open just to take a look. So anyways, pretty much an unboxing other than, actually cutting the film, but I don't think it matters that much. And I add this tag for privacy. But anyways, here we go. Yep, let's open this bad boy up. Instructions. Some tools, mounts, screws, whatever, right? Holy, whew, these are some beefy mounts. I should mount this probably on a stud, right? But they give you, what do you call this? Wall anchors. I want to use this. I'd use a stud in my opinion. If you had to, I'd use these, but overall, I'd use a stud because that's most secure. Anyways, keep going and going. Trash. Damn, these unboxings always create so much trash. Look at that beefy piece. Bags and bags and bags. I know what this is. Let's see. This is the monitor mount, pretty much. Look at that beefy thing. Heavy. Oof. Damn. Look at all that grease. Well, I don't get that anyway. I have to figure out how to keep that off everything. Hate grease. I mean, it works well, but I hate grease on stuff. On clothes, whatever. Here's the main part, the arm. That's pretty beefy, right? So I like these things. These things hold up to 42 pounds, I think. Pretty heavy monitor, so. Anyways, anything else in the bottom? Anything else? Some more screws. Another bag. Damn. Bag of screws for the Visa mount. Yeah, more for that. Brackets for the Visa. Yeah. Anyway, anything else? Nothing. Let's look at this. Yeah, this is probably the main. Ooh, God damn it. Anyway, the beefy arm. There we go. Pretty much. This part goes on the wall. Fits on here. And then, no, actually, this thing fits on here. Fits on here and goes like that. Oops. There goes the box. Anyways. Please forgive me, this is one of my first few unboxings. Look at that. Oh, 4mm. I already read up on it, so that's why I know it's a 4mm. Wow, that's pretty heavy, pretty beefy. Yep, this will hold up a big monitor, big or small, heavy or light. Should be pretty good. Gas shocks, and specs on this is pretty good. I mean, I'm sure there's other monitor mounts out there, but this is pretty good. It fits my needs, so it works well and looks nice and white. Mainly because I'm doing a white build right now, and maybe later I'll show you guys my setup. But for now, I have to first find the GPU. Then pretty simple. Main parts right here, all three main parts. Supplementals. And if you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. I'll try to answer the best as I can. I'm still new to this, so yeah, forgive me. But anyways, here we go. And then the main piece right here. So probably a cover. Yep. So there you go. There's an unboxing. Here's the ErgoTron HX wall mount. As you can see, it's mounted on the wall for my 43-inch LG monitor. Yeah, it's not a TV, it's an actual monitor, the 43-inch. And then here's another one, the desk mount, the ErgoTron HX desk mount. And it's holding another 43-inch monitor. Yeah, so I have dual 43s. Yeah, please, you're gonna have to forgive me for this wire mess here. It's really messy. I'm on the process of wire management, but not done yet because I still need to build a new computer. Yeah, that new GPU, getting a white one, very hard. So I'm still trying to procure that, so we'll see when that happens. Maybe when that's all done, I will showcase my setup, but for now I'm just showcasing the monitor mounts, monitor arms. So anyway, here it is, yeah. Yeah, it works really well. I mean, it holds up the monitors really nice. You can move it up and down. Right now I have it in a fixed position, but it works really well. So anyways, yeah, you can see other videos, I'm sure, of people moving it around. It's fine. It holds these really well, and you can move it up and down, no problem at all. I just have mine all stationary because I like my monitor stationary. But anyways, if you like this video, please subscribe, give it a like, and please comment if you have any questions. Try to answer to the best of my ability, and later I will showcase these in a setup video once all my wire management's all done and my computer's built, because right now it's just in the middle of getting built, so it's just temporary. Anyways, peace, have a good one.